Hello guys, it's Ray here and welcome back to Programming and Tech. As you know, if you're my old subscriber, then I have uploaded a Python course. I deleted it. The reason was there was some glitch in the video. I am again making it and I am again gonna upload it. So that I'm doing a hard work for you guys. Again, one more thing to tell you that I have learned it from a paid course. I am giving it to you absolutely free. I am not charging a single penny. Then I need a little favor that I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like my videos, comment me down how was the video, and most important, share this to more and more people and tell them to subscribe. It motivates me a lot. I am doing this much for you. Can't you do a little favor on me? Okay, let's start without any time waste. Let's go. Yeah. So the first thing is basics of Python. What is Python, and why should you learn Python? So now, this is my Jupyter notebook, which is a Python. Here you are gonna write your programs. Before that, let us discuss about Python. So introduction to Python. So Python is a language which was created for the purpose that it should be easier. I mean, Python is the one of the I not one of the Python is the easiest language I can say, and you can do much more with Python. Once you learn Python, you can go to data science, you can create websites, you can do you know uh, mechanical researches, and whatever more opportunities are endless. So learning Python is not a waste of time, and also you can create your own softwares, your own apps, your own games, and what much you can accept. So let's start. So Python was created to be easy. The aim of creating Python was to make it easier. When Python was launched, Python was the easiest language, and that time other languages such as C++ were too hard. Now they have become a little easier because languages develop. Now we are in Python 3.7. The earlier Python. So Python is like a every language. You can create apps, games, and everything. And Python is very easier to learn. And if Python is your first language, then you can go to any other language without any ease. Like you learn Python, you are master Python, and you want to go to C++. You can go. You can easily switch to C++ or any other language without any problem. So that's a very good advantage of Python. And actually, who should learn Python? Every programmer who is learning a first language and he want to learn one language, then he should learn Python. Now you would say, no, you know, after learning Python, should I switch? There is no need, but if you feel a need, you can switch. And a professional programmer, if I talk about a professional programmer, then he knows at least 3 to 4 languages, and Python is one of them. And if you ask, then there is 99% chance that Python was his first language. Okay, let me start. So reason of that why Python is such popular, and because believe me, if you learn Python, then you are gonna get a very good jobs, because Python is in demand, guys. Python is in demand because now in future there will be more opportunities to this job, like you know data science, ethical hacking. You know what is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is not any black hacking, you know like hacking anyone's account. Ethical hacking means white hat hacking. You work for the government, you work for the secret agencies of the government, so you are not doing any illegal works, you are gonna do legal hacking. So that's ethical hacking. So to learn ethical hacking, you should learn Python. Website making with Django. Django is used in backend, and to learn Django, you need to learn Python. So once you learn Python, there are many ways. It's like after you complete your second or you complete your 12th, then you have options like take this medical field, engineering field. So that's like what Python gives you, and you can go to any field you like. But talking about other languages, let me compare C++. C++ is one of the most popular. If after Python, any language that is popular is C++. But in C++, you cannot do data science. ethical hacking is not possible. In C++, what you can actually do is create AAA titles. So those who don't know AAA titles are games like Call of Duty, CS:GO, Valorant. GTA 5 is not a AAA title. So AAA titles are games that are very fast, little lower in graphics, but very fast access needs to be taken place out. And there are other games like GTA 5, you know, Cyberpunk 2077, which recently launched. So these are the games which have more graphics but are slower, and mostly C++ is used in these games also. But if you learn C++, the disadvantage is you are locked to only game development. After learning C++, you should learn graphic designing if you want to do a game or if you want to make a game. Otherwise, you have to give your backend with C++, and then for graphics, you have to catch another guy or hire a guy. So that's the thing. I know that Python doesn't support you to play more and more games or make more and games, but lesser um, fast games such as cards and much more games, caroms, and much more games like that can be made with Python. Python gives you a lot of opportunities. So if somebody asks, if you want to recommend somebody to learn his first language, which language it would be, then definitely it's gonna be Python. So that's all for introduction of Python. Meet you in my next lecture, and bye bye guys. Thank you for watching. Meet you in my next